Warning, listening to this podcast may result in chronic ambition and success. Yo, hey beautiful people, it's Hugo Alonso. I'm an investor and entrepreneur. Welcome to my podcast, Stay Winning. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. I want you to subscribe, listen, and download my episodes. Now you might be thinking why? I'm happy to tell you. I'm here to help you be a little more amazing. The Stay Winning podcast is all about financial literacy, success, and helping you get yours. Each week, I'm uploading at least one episode. I'll focus on how you can make better financial decisions and get to your goals faster. No topic or conversation is too big or small. Stay Winning is the newest business, finance, investing, and entrepreneur podcast out there. We'll also talk about anything else I feel will help maximize your full potential, whether it's business or personal. On this podcast, we have no time for negativity. And hey, honestly, I don't know everything. So when the time is right, I'll be bringing on guests who are winning in the ventures you like to pursue. That way you have the best and accurate information that you deserve. On this podcast, we'll make the most of our time, and one of the best investments that you can make is in yourself. So if you don't know where to begin, please join me, as together we have wonderful things to accomplish. Once again, my name is Hugo Alonso, and I want to see you win.